Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make a broomstick with coconut leaf. Okay, come, let's go. We are taking a coconut leaf and separating it from the main stick using so you have to clean this stick like this. There should be no leaf in this. Okay, I think it's cleanly. So keep doing this until you get a bunch of stick for your broom. Since we just pulled out from uh, you have all this uneven shape, so to bring the shape, just so keep on cutting like this and put it in the hot sun to dry. Okay, now this is the cleaned dried stick. Now we are just took one bunch out of the entire thing. Now we have to tie this. Okay, first, okay, using of this wire. Tying is the best thing. You have to tie it as hard as possible so that it doesn't come out. So this broom is ready now to swipe. If you want little bit tough, cut it with the knife or the scissor till here, so that you'll get a hard stick, or else now it is soft stick to just clean your garden. Achha. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell button next to my subscription button. Bye bye.